Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just not going to show you some tutorial or something like that, but asking you to provide me some help regarding the designing that I am doing right now. One of my client had asked me to create a VBA application for a simple VBA application for recruitment uh, portion for the job openings in their company and all that. They don't require any fancy things. So here let me go through with the application that I have designed right now. It is near about 50-60% of designing is done with a few functionalities. So let me show you first of all. Here I have a dashboard and three another sheets like a job opening, candidates, and interview, and one is a candidate comparison also. Okay, let me go through one by one so we can understand this. First of all, I have created a simple job opening detail with the 5 columns. That is a job ID, title, department, location, and, and posted date, and also providing the status. This status can be manually updated in case of requirement. And for the new entry, I have given this user form, simple user form. And for example, let's add G9 and opening is assistant GM, general manager, department, for example, manufacturing, location, and these options are coming from the list. Already, I have created one sheet for this drop downs and all that. Okay, that is going to have a master data input. And for the calendar input, instead of manual, I have given this calendar control over here, and that can help to put a value in the field, so it is easy to get an input. User can manually update the list all the fields over here. So in Excel, most probably all the forms are not going to help every time. So manual inputs are also required. So this is the form where user don't have to go again with the edit option and all that. So making a simple one. Next is the candidate entry, and in this candidate entry, you can see that I have given a candidate ID, name, contact detail, job is coming from the job opening list. So they can do a manual also, and we can add from the form also. I'm just going to show you both the things right now. And the next is a resume link, application date, status, job skills, and experience. Let me first of all show you how we can add the candidate. Same way we did in a job opening, I can do over here. For example, C1006, Samir Shah, contact number, something random numbers. Okay, and job applied coming from the list that we have. Here I have given a resume link so user can directly select any of the resume link they require. For example, I have selected this one, and instead of showing all the links, I have just given this one. Let me go with this first of all, 5 years, or let's say 12 years, because the position is for the GM, right? And for example, this application date, we have received this thing and it is applied. Okay, we did not interview or anything, so we have the status that thing, and we are selecting the skills right now here and just save. All the data are saved. In case if we have a resume input need to be different, then we don't have the edit button and all that. So I have given an in row edit functionality where user can click on that button, select the resume, and just click update. That's it, and the link will be available here. Some of the functionalities are still pending, so I'm just showing you. And here the skills are there. This is the same way where we can edit the skills. For example, I just required HRMS. Okay, so the user is HRMS like this. Okay, in this we have just added inline functionality. Next is interview, where the interview is shortlisted and user can have that information over here. Update related like this. What is the job ID that needs to be done? We are selecting candidate name, for example, Shamir Shah, and we are conducting the interview what we have conducted previous one. For example, on 25th April, we have done this. We can put the name over here, for example, Rakesh, um, Sanjay, or anyone. Okay, we can put a name over here, and the scores are also given like this. For example, 8.9 and we can say um, good to have this member in team. Okay, so I'm just putting the comment also for the HR perspective, and this is going to be helpful to us where we can use in a candidate comparison. For example, this is a job ID 101, and we have the three candidates over here. So in a comparison sheet, I have created a comparison sheet where you can select the job position. For example, job position is one, and I'm clicking on OK. So you will have all the members list who has applied for the job position one. We have four members who has applied for this, so we are getting four rows over here, and you can see that the status for that whatever the interview has conducted, their profile, their experience, skills, and the interview comment. Okay, so this is the overall summary of this candidates. So this is going to help an HR to find out the candidate or compare the candidate. So this is more or less the kind of recruitment process. And here we have created a filter where given four options like filtering by this job positions, by the department, job status like open, close, and suspended, and the date of interviews based on the data of interview. These are the loops, and these are the values that are going to be automatically updated. For example, if I select, for example, purchase. Okay, so I have two openings over there, and one of the opening for this department wise. Okay, so if I select in a purchase, it is one. Okay, purchase buyer in a one. For example, purchase. Okay, here two departments are there. One is purchase and IT. Both required a purchase buyer. I don't know why, but it is there. Okay. So if I select over here, for example, let me put it all. And if I select a position for the purchase has no requirement right now. IT has a three requirements. Okay, in a filter of all. And if I select a purchase buyer, then it will automatically get what we, because purchase buyer position is there in a ID. So more or less, this is going to be a dynamic one based on this filter on this location. And still we are working on this charts and all that. And given a candidate comparison view also for this. Let me know in the comment that what else we can do in this with this minimum structure required, and that will be helpful to me. Thanks for watching and looking your suggestions in your comment.